You know, for 7 years, the GOP has talked about repealing and replacing Obamacare. Here is their grand opportunity to do so, and yet we see hysteria.
Yeah, and I don't think there's any disagreement between Democrats and Republicans that health care is still broken. Even the namesake of Obamacare, President Obama, he was very clear that it needed to be fixed. And this is a real opportunity for politicians, the senators, to prioritize purpose over politics. And when I ran for the DNC chair, one of the things that I really try to focus on is prioritizing that purpose, but also the substance of it. When you think of the discussion that's going on here in this conversation and all over cable news, it's all about how the sausage is made. It's all about the numbers of what to get to the votes. However you think about health care, since Obamacare, there are 20 million more Americans who have health care. We need to talk about the substance. We need to talk about what are in health care.
How many of those are on new Medicare and Medicaid recipients?
It's still health care.
No, I think the actual number's around 9 million.
What are you going to do? Say you have it today, but you're not going to have it tomorrow.
But also health insurance and health care are different. I have friends that are on Obamacare, so they have health insurance, but a lot of places won't take it. I had a friend who needed to go to the hospital, and he went to all these different hospitals. Yeah. Nobody takes it. So having health insurance isn't the same as health care.
Right, and I think many people are clear on that, but let's just play the semantics out here. Jehmu, I think for a lot of people, Eric, we can talk about Medicaid, whatever. They just know that they've got something. And so for those people that feel that if you take it away, you don't replace it with something, though, Eric, I mean, think about what the ads are going to look like. Think about what the messaging is going to look like in 2018.
You replace it with something better, and you're working on something better than Obamacare. Remember, I'll give you another number, Jehmu. 0, the number of Republicans that voted for Obamacare. And now look at you, one of the most liberal Democrats on the planet, saying Obamacare is a failure. Is a failure.
On the planet, not
not
just
the
country, but the planet.
Am I wrong? I don't think I'm even joking about this. You're one of the more progressive people I've ever met in my life. I love you, but you are now admitting that Obamacare is a failure 7 years later. We were telling you that 7 years ago, but you guys pushed it through.
That's nothing new. Like I said, President Obama was saying to Republicans for years, come together with us. Let's fix this. Basically, the same thing now that Chuck Schumer is saying. The same thing that Senator McCain said in that glorious
McConnell
speech.
Is saying come over cross the line, Democrats. We have the House and the Senate. You need to cross the line and come work with us. And it doesn't sound like Schumer nor Pelosi want to do any of that either.